I wasn't going to make a video about this, but I downloaded this model and I bought this little kit from Bamboo to make a mouse, a wireless mouse, which I thought was kind of cool, right? And then I printed out this blue carbon fiber. And it's got a cool feel to it. It looks cool. I ran 0.2 layer, and I probably should have ran fine. I used blue PET G for the undercarriage. But I think it turned out pretty good. And it's quick, it's responsive. So far, so good. And I don't think it's that expensive. You just want to buy it. Now, you can use points on Maker World. It sounds like an advertisement for Maker World. But if you are a Maker World and you do upload, download, and print stuff, and you get some of these points, you can get this for 132 points a kit, which is kind of cool. Or you buy the kit for $12, which isn't that